Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bekah and I am here today reviewing Olaplex number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner, my new salon that I work at. If you want to come visit me, you can. I'll leave my Instagram handle. They actually carry Olaplex products and I really like that. They have the bond builder in the back so you can get it in your, in your color service. Always love building those bonds and keeping healthy hair. So I thought, you know what? Last time I highlighted my hair, I was like, I think I'm gonna try, the shampoo and conditioner. So if you don't have color treated hair and your hair seems to be relatively healthy, you don't really need this product, okay? So move on. I have so many other videos for you. I'll see you in the next video. But if you have highlighted hair mostly, I would say this is for you. Now, if your hair is damaged, like from heat or from friction, using some sort of bonding shampoo and conditioner isn't a bad idea. So I would definitely recommend this for you. But I'm talking mostly to the people that have some sort of highlight, balayage, something in their hair that is going to weaken the hair strand and provide a need for bond building. So on the bottle, repairs, strengthens, nourishes all hair types. Before we get any further, I want to say that I like these products. I don't love these products, okay? My personal opinion, some hairstylists rave about this shampoo and conditioner, which they're good. It's just personally for me, I don't absolutely love these products. And if I absolutely love a product, because I'll make an entire video about just one product if I absolutely love it. But this one, I like it, don't love it, okay? That's where I'm sitting. But I would still recommend it if I felt like this was the best fit for your hair. Does that make sense? I don't know if you can tell. I've actually used the conditioner more because I actually like the conditioner better than I like the shampoo. Shampoo is good, and if you like a good lather, you're gonna love this shampoo. What I feel like it's lacking, and the 10 times I've used it, is I feel like it's lacking hydration. So I don't know if that's in order to deliver the technology in the correct way, they can't have as many hydrating elements, but I wish that the shampoo was a little bit more hydrating, which is maybe why I like the conditioner better, because I feel like this has some more hydrating elements to it that I want, but I just wish that this maybe had a little bit more of that, if that makes sense. The shampoo is $15 and the conditioner is $30. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. It's $30 for both the shampoo and conditioner. My bad, I thought it was $15. Where did I get $15 from? Maybe it's because I bought it at a salon store. Oh my gosh, oops, sorry. Okay, changes my review a little bit. They're $30 each. It's $60 for this set. If you're gonna pay $60 for a shampoo and conditioner, is this the one that I would recommend to you for repair? I don't know if I would. Maybe if you still fit into the realm of this product, you're the perfect candidate for this product, then yes, I would recommend it. But if you have need for hydration and strength, I don't know if I would gravitate towards this. I might gravitate towards Olaplex or no. This is Olaplex. I might gravitate more towards Pureology or Kevin Murphy or Kerastase or Orbe, but I don't know if I would gravitate towards this unless you were the perfect candidate for it. But what I do love about it is if you do get the in-salon treatment, the bonding treatment, this will help maintain that treatment in your hair when you're at home. So that's a really big deal because that treatment is not cheap. Okay, I think it's $60, $30 or $60 in the salon, but I love the smell of the shampoo. Let's give you a little drip test over my eyes. Very thick, nice consistency, gives a very good lather. I do really like the smell of it. It's you know what it reminds me of? Kind of reminds me of Christmas. It's got some sort of Christmassy, a similar scent to what you would find in a Christmas candle. All right, and here's the consistency of the conditioner. I can't believe I thought it was $15. So that is very thick, super thick. Okay, and maybe that's why I like it, because it's just nice and thick. It's a good experience in the shower. And again, it smells like that Christmas stuff. That's 25 cents right there on my hand. I still hold true to I like it, don't love it. If you're interested in trying Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, I think you should just go for it because it's good enough. But what I feel like I have been wanting is just more hydration after using this product. There is a product from Olaplex that I absolutely love, and hopefully I'll be making another video about that soon. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Also, vegan-free, cruelty-free, like all the free things. So if you're into that, these products have it. They have, it's like their patented bonding experience, which is probably why it costs so much money. I know I recommend really expensive products on my channel, but $30 for this shampoo, I don't know if it's worth it. But the conditioner, shampoo and conditioner have won awards from Allure, so it's gotta be good. Maybe it's just a personal preference. I think it's still good. Would I recommend it to you if I felt like you were the perfect client for it? Absolutely. But it's definitely not for everybody. When you have a shampoo that's for strengthening, like that's usually its main goal. It's to like repair those bonds in the hair shaft so that they stay together, they stay strengthened enough so it doesn't break off. It's not necessarily looking for hydration too. So that's why I think when I'm looking for things that strengthen, I also want it to hydrate, because if your hair is strong but it's brittle and dry, it's still gonna break off. So that's kind of my take on it. So it claims to protect the hair from within and you get immediate results. I'm not saying don't try this, because I think if you have blonde hair, especially 100%, if you get the Olaplex treatment in the salon, you should probably be using this at least once a week, maybe like have it in your shower, because it's going to help maintain that treatment in your hair from the salon. But if you're just like Joe Schmo off the street and you want a strengthening and hydrating shampoo, I might point you more towards like Pureology Strength Cure or like the Kerastase Reinforcement. I can't remember the name, it's French, or the Extension East line, before I would like necessarily gravitate towards this. But I'm gonna keep using it. I have it, it's in my shower. I want like the bonding protection for my blonde hair, make sure it stays nice and strong as it grows out. Those are my hot takes. If you have any questions about the shampoo and conditioner, make sure to leave a comment. I try really hard to get to all the comments. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications so every time I post new videos. If you're interested in a hair appointment, I'll leave a link in the description. You can come see me in the salon, okay? I will also leave my Instagram handles and my TikTok so you can follow me on all the platforms. And thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.